everyone. So this video is about a journal which I bought for 2022, you can see. And this is a combo set. You can see there is a calendar dated 2022. This is the planner cum journal, and there are even two notebooks. Okay, one is a normal white page one, blank page, another is a bullet journal. I'll show you one by one. So basically the motive of buying this is because I plan my day every day. Personally, I plan in the morning like what is going to happen till now. So till now I was doing my study planning in this one. This was a 6-month planner, but it was an undated one. So I have done this over here. This was my planner which I followed, and this is just going to end, but I just wanted to explore more, so I thought of buying this. So this is costing is 1599. So this set costed me 1599. But if you want to buy a different kind of planner which is less costly, then I will suggest you can go for this study planner. Even I will show you another study planner which is also very beautiful. I'm going to show you that as well, because see, this is if you are just starting planning, then I think it should be a simple one, and then go to this one, because planning should make your life simple, not complicated, and some people find it little bit complicated, so they just leave in the middle. So I don't want that. So now let me show you the calendar first. I'll show you the journal at last. So this is the calendar which they have sent. It's beautiful. You can see it's very, very beautiful. And this is from the Tall Elephant. I forgot to mention that. This one is the company, the Tall Elephant. So they have started their website, I think, very recently. They have beautiful journal. So let me show you this one. This is a notebook. This is the blank one. Okay, this is the blank one. It's beautifully crafted, and this is the bullet one. This is the bullet one. So this two, and now comes to the main part. So you can see the thickness. This is the thickness of the journal cum planner. This is the thickness of it, and the thing is, yeah, this is the front, and then the starting. So this is the planner. It's a beautiful and colorful one. I was just waiting for it. Like, it has everything. It has habit planning, it has expenses, it has important notes in it. It even has some if anyone, because this is a journal cum planner, so it will have everything in it. So like this you can decorate your stuff. So these are the things. It's a beautiful one. It's just a beautiful one. So I will link their website in the description below, so that you can go and check out their options. There are more options in it. Basically I went for this combo, but they have more combos. They have a black box combo as well, so you can check it out, and if you want to buy one, you can go for it, because the quality is beautiful, just what I expected, maybe more than I expected. The quality is more than I expected. It's better, and it's very beautiful. So it's a one-time invest, because for the entire year this is going to go. Now let me show you another planner which I told you, which if you want to start very simple, you can obviously go with this planner. This is from Amazon. I will link this also in the description below. It has many more options, like beautiful covers are also there. Another one I am showing you just now. This is the other one. It's also a daily planner, and it is an undated planner. Okay, it is an undated planner. You can see, as you can see, this is the planner. It is just having a notes page, and it's have a to-do list. It's meetings to attend and calls. So this is beautiful, and it also has a habit tracker. See, water, sleep, exercise, read and all, and you can rate your day even. It's a very simple one. It's from Scribble, and I will link this also in the description below. It has, I think, one another color option, black, and so it's a beautiful one. You can see it's a beautiful one, and it's also very simple. I actually use two planners. I have planned of using two planners this time. One will be the main one, and this is the sub planner, in which I'm going to just note down about my study and other works related things. So this, I think it is of 160 or 120 pages like that. So I think it is of 3 months. It's an undated one, you can use it anytime. So this is the planner. So I hope you liked the video. I'm going to share more planners with you, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can grow more, and comment down below to if you want to share any planner, if you have bought anything recently, so you can share it with us as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye bye.